Welcome, Kitty Crew. Welcome to the exciting world of farm animals and pet animals muddy adventure for kids. This interactive and educational experience takes young explorers on a journey to a playful farm where they can meet adorable farm and pet animals, all while enjoying some good old fashioned muddy fun, perfect for children who love animals and outdoor adventures. Discover the woolly wonders of sheep. Dive right in. Unveiling the Gorilla Guardians. There are two species of gorillas, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla. Each species is further divided into two subspecies. The eastern gorilla has the mountain gorilla and the eastern lowland gorilla. An in-depth look at an incredible fox. Foxes use a combination of stalking and pouncing techniques when hunting. Some fox species such as the red fox have successfully adapted to urban environments. They can be found in cities and suburbs. Discovering the majestic moose. Male moose have impressive antlers, which are the largest among any living deer species. Adult males, known as bulls, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds or more, while females, called cows, are generally smaller. Get ready for the sheep adventure! There are over 1,000 different breeds of sheep worldwide. These breeds vary in size, color, and the quality of their wool. Sheep are social animals and have a strong instinct to flock together. Contrary to popular belief, sheep have good memories. The secret lives of cats. Cats are territorial animals and they mark their territory by rubbing their scent glands on objects, including their owners. This behavior is a way for them to claim ownership and feel secure in their environment, while cats offer purr when content. Meet the enchanting white tiger. The white tiger is a rare variant of the Bengal tiger and is known for its distinctive white fur with dark stripes. White tigers are not a separate subspecies, they belong to the Bengal tiger subspecies. White tigers are extremely rare in the wild. Grace and velocity of cheetah. The cheetah is the world's fastest land animal and Africa's most endangered big cat. Uniquely adapted for speed, the cheetah is capable of reaching speeds greater than 110 km per hour. The amazing journeys of reindeer. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia and North America. In North America, they are known as caribou. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, making them unique among deer species. The life and habits of antelope. Many antelopes are known for their speed and agility, which they use to evade predators. The cheetah's primary prey, the Thompson's gazelle, can reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour. Curious creatures, the hyena. Hyenas are efficient hunters and have been observed working together in groups to bring down large prey. They are also known for scavenging, often taking over kills made by other predators. Hyenas are known to hunt and kill large prey. Masters of stealth, alligator. Alligators can grow up to 13 to 15 feet in length, with some individuals reported to reach 19 feet. They can weigh over 1,000 pounds. The Chinese alligators are smaller, usually reaching about 4.5 to 7 feet in length. The canine chronicles of the dog. A dog's sense of smell is highly developed, with some breeds able to detect scents at concentrations as low as 1 part per trillion. Dogs have been companions to humans for thousands of years. Meet your next animal, the bull. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior, especially during mating season or when they feel threatened. They may engage in activities like pawing the ground, snorting, or bellowing as signs of aggression. A bull is an adult male cattle, while a cow is an adult female. Unveiling the world of God. Goats are known for their various vocalizations, including bleats, grunts, and snorts. Each sound has a different meaning, and goats can communicate effectively with each other. There are numerous goat breeds worldwide, each with its own unique characteristics. Behold the mighty hippopotamus. Despite their size, hippos are excellent swimmers and spend a significant amount of time in the water. They have a unique adaptations where their eyes, ears, and nostrils are located on the top of their heads, allowing them to stay submerged while still being able to see. Earth's tallest animal, giraffe. Giraffes have a massive heart weighing around 25 pounds 11 kg, which is necessary to pump blood up their long necks to reach their brains. Their blood pressure is also unusually high to overcome the gravitational force and reach the brain. Comprehensive look at horse. Horses have panoramic vision, meaning they can see almost 360 degrees around them. However, they have a blind spot directly in front and behind them. Horses belong to the species Equus feruscabulus. There are numerous horse breeds, each with unique characteristics such as the Arabian, Clydesdale, and many more. Wildlife wonders of the elephant. The two main species of elephants are the African elephant and the Asian elephant. African elephants are generally larger than Asian elephants. African elephants have larger ears than Asian elephants. Their ears are also shaped like the African continent. Unraveling the mysteries of rams. These majestic animals are known for their impressive horns, dominant presence, and strong wild nature. Wrens belong to the family Bovidae and are most commonly found in the wild, roaming the mountains and grassland of various regions around the world. Rams are not just male sheep. A close encounter of zebra kinched them. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, similar to human fingerprints. The black and white stripes are thought to act as a form of camouflage in the grassland, confusing predators such as lions and hyenas. There are three species of zebras: the plain zebra and the great zebra. The plain zebra and the great zebra. Guardians of the grassland cow. Cows are domesticated mammals belonging to the species Bos taurus. They are part of the Bovidae family, which also includes goats, sheep, and bison. Cows are ruminants, meaning they have a specialized stomach with 4 compartments: the rumen, reticulum, Grateful for your time given to watching to Farm Animals and Pet Animals Muddy Adventure for Kids. Enjoying Farm Fun in the Mud episode. Subscribe now for the Farm Animals and Pet Animals Muddy Adventure for Kids and enjoy a day of farm fun, learning, and muddy play with their favorite animals. Stay anticipated for more muddy adventures. Bye for now, mini explorers!